Hey there, in this quick JavaScript tutorial, we learn how to find the last key in an object that passes a given test. This comes in handy when you're checking from the end of a list of properties. We'll use some smart array methods like reverse and find to pull this off. Let's see how to make it work step by step. Our challenge is to inspect an object and return the last key whose value passes a given test. If no key passes the test, we return undefined. This is useful in scenarios like finding the most recent active user in a list. Let's walk through the approach next. This function grabs all keys from the object and reverses them using reverse. Then, it runs find to apply the testing function on each key's value. So the search stops at the first match it finds from the right side. It is concise, readable, and efficient for small to medium-sized objects. Here's how it works. First, we extract the keys from the object. We reverse that list so our search starts from the last key. Using find, we evaluate each key until one passes the test. If none do, undefined is returned. Here are some examples. In the first row, both B and C are true, but C is returned because it is checked last. In the second row, we look into the object properties like active, and in the third case, no values meet the test, so we return undefined. This technique is handy for anything involving configurations or user tracking, whether it's a last active session or most recent item update. This logic helps you find what you need. It is especially useful in UI states and real-time applications. Now you know how to reverse search an object efficiently. And that wraps up our lesson on finding the last matching key in an object. Using reverse and find together makes this process super simple. Now you can apply this pattern to many object handling problems in your code. Happy coding, and keep practicing those JavaScript skills. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.